Welcome to all UME2I students for the engineering drawing lecture, that is Unit 1 Part 2 Projection of Plane. I am Professor Sinde DV. Now the projection of planes, as you know, the plane means a two-dimensional plate. A two-dimensional plate. Now we know the plates: rectangular plates, triangular plates, pentagonal plates, circular plates. Now projection of plane means what? What is usually asked in the problem? To draw their projection means you have to draw front view, top view and side view. What will be given in the problem? The description of the plane figure. Description of plane figure means if it is a rectangle, length and breadth will be given. If it is circle, they will give the diameter. If it is pentagon, they will only give the side. That is a two-dimensional. That is only third dimension, three-dimension is avoided here. And again they will give its position with HP and VP. Means surface of the plate is inclined to HP or VP. In which manner its position with HP and VP will be described. Inclination of its surface with one of the reference plane. Now the reference plane means horizontal plane, vertical plane will be given. Inclination of one of its edges with one reference plane will be given. Hence, this will be the case an object inclined to both the reference plane, but in our study, the reference plane, that is inclination of the surface with respect to one plane only, is considered in your syllabus. Now, case of a rectangle, observe and note all the steps here. The surface parallel to HP. Here the pictorial view is shown in the next, that is VP and HP. The surface inclined to HP. Here the surface parallel to HP, and here the second surface inclined to HP. Here are both VP and principal planes they have given. In the first plane we have seen the lavender color. That is a rectangle plate that is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. In the second, the rectangular plate is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. Now when we observe the front view, only a single line will be observed. The projection has been taken. That is the front view. Top view, we will observe the rectangle actual size because it is parallel. And in this second case, when the surface of the plate is inclined to HP, the front view is inclined line we will observe here, that is the red line shown here. The top view is apparent. Here the observer is observing from top view, and the rectangle is not the same dimension as that because it is inclined to HP, that is apparent length. The reduced length of rectangle is seen on HP, that is top view. Here the orthographic projection, what they are saying, top view is the true shape, front view line is parallel to XY line. Here is the cases of orthographic. The name they have given. Now this line AB is parallel, perpendicular to VP. So single point is observed as you have studied in the projection of line. Here point line DC is perpendicular to VP. Single point is observed here. This is the red color line is not a line. It is the front view of the rectangular plate which is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. Procedure of solving the problems. There are three steps. First step is assume suitable condition and draw the front view and top view of the initial position. Assume the suitable condition. Second step, now consider the surface inclination and draw second front view and top view. After this consideration, side edge inclination and draw third final stage. Here only we have to draw in your syllabus. Two steps are given: assume suitable condition and draw front view and top view of the initial position. Now consider surface inclination and draw second front view and top view. Only two steps here we have to draw. Assumption for initial position. Initial position means assuming surface parallel to HP or VP. Now, if in the problem surface is inclined to HP, assume that surface is parallel to HP. Or if surface is inclined to VP, assume it is parallel to VP. Now, if surface is assumed parallel to HP, its top view will show true shape. Now, if surface is assumed parallel to VP, its front view will show the true shapes. Hence, begin with drawing top view or front view as a true shape. While drawing this true shape, keep one side of edge which is making inclination perpendicular to XY line. Now complete the step 2 by making the surface inclined to respective planes and projects its other view. Reference Pair B or previous page illustrations. Now here the third step is not in your problem, that is inclination of side. Now let us solve the problem stepwise. A regular pentagon of 30 mm side is resting on HP on its side with its surface 45 degree inclined to HP. Draw its projections. Surface and side inclination are directly given. After reading the problem, the surface is inclined to its plane HP. Assumption is surface is initial position. What is the assumption is made? That is parallel to HP. So which view will show the true shape? That is on HP, that is top view. Which side will be the vertical? Any side. Hence begin with the top view. Draw pentagon below XY line taking its one vertical side. Here I am drawing the pentagon. A, B, C, D. AB is on HP. Final position is always given in the problem. Is inclined, surface is inclined to VP. What will you observe in the front view? That is single line. Here I am marking the points. So second stage is this surface. This is not a line on XY line because it is a pentagonal plate front view which is lying completely on HP. The same line is drawn here at 45 degree with respect to HP. The projections are taken in the top view and I have marked the same point. I will name it A1, B1, C1, D1 and E1. This is the procedure of the problem. Here is the problem. A circle of 50 mm diameter is resting on its HP on end A of its diameter AC, which is 30 degree inclined to HP. Draw its projection. After reading the problem, you have to answer yourself. Surface is inclined to which plane? It is inclined to HP. Now, what assumptions we have to make here? That is parallel to HP. Surface is parallel to HP. Okay. So which view will be the true shape? The top view. Which diameter? Horizontal AC. Hence begin with the top view, that is in HP. Now first you draw the XY line here. Circle below, that is the top view. AC. What will be the front view? Front view will be a single line. We have to name it. The surface of the plate is inclined to HP. So At how many degree? 30 degree. The same line we have to continue here. Same dimensions we have to take. Now draw the projection. If it is inclined to HP at 30 degree, there will be a reduction in size. We draw the projection lines as it is shown. Name the point. We will observe the ellipse here. Okay, thank you.